This is a short video to introduce some of the new functionality for ElectrodeWorks 2014, running under SolidWorks 2015 and earlier SolidWorks versions. ElectrodeWorks 2014 includes both new functionality and robust algorithms to ensure the electrode creation on nearly every area of interest. First, we read in a parasolid file. Notice the part has some problems in the diagnostics. We ignore them. ElectrodeWorks can work on corrupted and open parts as well. We start by adding an electrode. ElectrodeWorks runs in assembly mode, so the system creates a new assembly and saves it along with the part and opens the Add Electrode menu. We choose an electrode holder and change the default direction of the electrode. Once changed, it will be remembered for the rest of the session along with the selected part. Next, we select a face from the part and use the new right-hand mouse button menu to select connected faces of the same color, indicated by the customer. ElectrodeWorks previews the electrode, and the electrode is then immediately created. Notice that the burn area has been colored in blue, a new option in ElectrodeWorks. Next, we create another electrode. This time we use the seed face selection to find all the faces in the same sunken area. The system warns us that there are gaps in the selection and outlines them in red. We can either find the missing faces or allow gaps. We can request to keep the gaps or close them automatically, a new option. ElectrodeWorks creates the electrode, and here you can see the burn areas. Next, we are going to create one electrode on a more complicated set of areas indicated by the customer. Here we forgot to choose an electrode holder, but no problem, we can select one after we have added faces. After previewing the electrode, we add some more faces. Again, using the select by color. We hide the electrode and select the other faces. Now we display the electrode and use the fill gap option. From the Settings tab, we add a chamfer to the electrode. and change the burn color for faces on which the electrodes have been created. Creating the electrode takes a little longer since it is a complex one. Isolating it, we can see the result. Finally, we create one more electrode on an area with a number of gaps. We use the Select by Color menu and deselect some of the faces. Again, we allow gaps, also with the full gap option. Next, we show the electrode. You can see that we created the electrodes in two parts, one up to a plane at an optional height above the burn area, and the second extruded from this plane to the blank, which allows easier modification of this extension if needed thickening the support. Now we automatically create drawings for the electrodes. First, we look at the EDM drawing, where each electrode gets its own color, and the electrode positioning is written in tables along the side. The electrode manufacturing drawing includes a table of the spark gaps, technology, etc.